Sir, my name is Joy Gallo Labador. I'm married. I'm 30 years old. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. I am the eldest in my family. My father's job is a farmer. My mother is a full-time housewife. I do not have any allergic of food. I can speak in English and understand English. I am a Methodist. I want to work in Singapore to help my family need and to my husband to pay the tuition fee our children. I know to cook a Filipino food like chicken, adobo, tinola, fried chicken, and egg fried, and many more. Also, I can cook pasta, macaroni, spaghetti, and vegetable salad. I do a household chores like mopping, sweeping, ironing, washing clothes, and many more. And I'm willing to learn more. To my future employer, I promise to you I finish my contract. And thank you.